Okay. Running that central meridian, increasing that frontal cortex energy, those beautiful hormones, oxytocin, dopamine, the feel-good hormones, serotonin, melatonin, everything that happens in that HPA, running that central meridian, increasing the frontal cortex activity, anti-clockwise over your heart. That helps to connect some of the disconnect in the brain. Frontal cortex. Let's just breathe and let that sound go. It's just there to remind us that we are here on the planet. Connect that frontal cortex to the rear of the brain. Okay. I am devoted to uncovering the lessons spirituality can teach me. I choose to be open to having faith in my life. I choose to release any and all pain and punishment circuits that faith have caused me. I am enough. I am deserving of everything, and I deserve to have a rich and full spiritual life. I am satisfied with every gift that I've ever been given and that I'm yet to receive. I have faith that I shall continue to receive things on this planet that are worth being grateful for. I am a gracious receiver. I am a gracious giver. My spiritual balance is in harmony with my essential being. My soul is welcome to receive. My soul is willing to learn. My soul is willing to have faith. I am a magnet for wonderful spiritual beings in my life. I welcome faith and spirituality in my life. I am grateful for who I am and who I can be. I am open and receptive to anything faith can offer me. I choose to own the divine within. I choose to own my spiritual core self. I choose to own my faith. I am worthy of a spiritual life. I am deserving of having faith. I am deserving of being the best me I possibly can be. I release any and all fear around having faith. I release any and all fear around owning my spiritual being. I release any and all fear about being open to possibilities on this beautiful planet of ours. Fantastic beauties. Talk to you soon. Love you all.